SD. Well, I'm sitting here and I'm working on sanding this, and as you can see, there's little blemishes. And this one looked more even than these. I mean, these are obviously off, but this wasn't. And I also discovered some scratches right here, which I now have sanded out. I'm not done yet, but I'm just taking this. And then I'm kind of working the edges down. Well, that took a tumble. Good thing it's dry. Okay, you're gonna sit right there like that. So anyway, see that's all that part right there where I really majorly worked on it. It's really started to smooth out. This right here is starting to. So the next coat of paint, it'll be done, and then I have to clear coat it of course, so that it'll be sealed. But I think that's the way it's done. All for now.